Hey, what's up YouTube? Boy, been a while since we've been on. Lots of things going on around here. I figured it's about time to make a video. We got a lot of things to do. So here's what we're working on today. And here behind me, we're gonna put a lean-to on the side of this. You watched my last video. I told you I was getting a sawmill. That sawmill's been ordered now, and now we need a place to keep it. So we're gonna build a lean-to on the side of here, I guess. And today we're gonna get started. So let's go. On the log pile here, we were able to get a little over 60 logs from a friend. He was building a house, so we went and cleared his lot, and well, we ended up with a lot of saw logs. Come over here. It's a firewood pile. There's a few saw logs in there, but I think this will end up being a lot of just firewood. So that's getting you caught up a little bit. But yeah, over here, see we got some tree limbs to trim off here, but off over here, right on the end of the pole barn here, this is where we're going to put the new sawmill shed. So I think we're going to start by taking some of this dirt out of here. It's all just topsoil. If you look way over there, I got some 3/4 crushed stone. We're going to put that down here. We're going to drill for some pillars, put in the ground here, I guess, cement some of them in. And yeah, that's what's up today. So let's get started. Alright, here's what we did. So I took and run the rototiller in here. Boy, you can't see that where it's crapping this lake, can you? Let me get up here. See if we can get a little better view. There we go. That's better. Ran that rototiller up through here. Tree limb anyway. And went down, loosened this all back up. I'd rototilled it before. But it's been a few weeks and boys, rained like crazy the last couple days. We're coming out 10 feet past the inside of the building here. And I took a little bit more out because I want that stone to go out just past there, so when the rain runs off the roof, it'll hit on that stone instead on the ground here. So up along the building here, we didn't get very good. We went to shovel that out a little bit if we can't get it with a loader. So that's what we're going to do next. Take that loader, scrape some of this dirt out of here. So let's go. Well, that ain't looking too bad, I guess. Got a little bit there. We're down along there. Pretty good now. I'm going to try to get to that board right there. The board right there. I'm going to get it down below that, I guess. We took it down about 4 inches in here. Ish. Heavy emphasis on the ish. But yeah, we're going to run I think we'll run some strings now. See if we can figure out how to bore a hole. I'm going to come off these corners. Come off this corner right here. Come out here about 10 feet. Put our corner post in. So we'll be right about there. Bring it out, and then we'll run in 2 more posts up there. We'll have a 16-foot gap in between here. And then we'll come up to this post. Post right about here, and then our post strip here on the corner. This is going to be the hard one, because we got a little bit of a obstacle here, right there. So I ain't gonna worry about it too much. I think we're gonna be all okay. We'll put a hole in there, and a hole down there, and a hole down there, and see if we can get the post set. Alright, we'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Here's what we did. Took this string, you can see it. I got a string here, right here. And I put it so it just touches the side of the barn. It runs back here. And I brought it out till it just touches the side of the barn here. And I ran it out here. Put a 2x4 here, that's my 10-foot. And I brought it out here and I intersected it. So I'm assuming right here is my corner. And that is going to be square, and that string runs all the way down there, and I did the same on the other end. We'll use these tubes. We're going to get the auger on the tractor, and I think if I put that down there where them 2 strings cross, I think that should put me a little pretty square, right? I don't know, but I think that's what I'm going to do. So bought these come in 4-foot lengths. I cut them in half, 24 inches. I believe that's the frost line here. I'm in Michigan, so we'll run them down in 24 inches and cement them in. And I got 3 of them. I ain't got the other one cut, but we'll put 3 of them in here, and we'll give it a try. Alright, well, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. You guys come back, click that subscribe button, come on back. We'll put some holes in here and fill them full of cement. Don't forget to hit that like button, and see you on the next one. Alright, take care, bye.